Hello everybody, welcome back to Miriam Ka's channel. And today is actually our second day in Jaipur. If you haven't watched yesterday's vlog, then definitely watch that before watching this one. But today we are exploring the main city of Jaipur and we are actually doing it by tuk-tuk. So that's supposed to be really fast. Hopefully we'll see as many things here as possible. Jaipur, it is a pink city, so a lot of pink buildings and stuff like that. By the way, don't judge me, but I am actually sick. Still decided to make this vlog for you, and of course my memories, because I just have to. I have to put my sickness aside and just continue to travel and vlog for you guys. This month has just been crazy for sickness. First thing we are doing today is obviously seeing some temples. We are just outside our first temple behind me. This temple is called Birla Temple, and it is one of the very famous temples here in Jaipur. So as you can tell, I'm actually wearing a jumper. It is really cold today here in Jaipur. I'm not over exaggerating. So we are going towards the temple right now. It is a very wide temple and it's actually here in the temple. Closes at 12 p.m. That's why we had to come here earlier to make sure we don't miss seeing this temple, otherwise it would have been closed. So we can't actually take any pictures or videos in this temple. So this is where this journey ends. So we just finished our temple tour, and basically let me explain what happened. We went in, there was quite a lot of people in, standing in this giant crowd watching basically a curtain, orange curtain. So then we were like, okay, let's just wait here, see what happens. And then suddenly this loud music started playing, the curtains moved, and there was like a Hindu statue, and everybody started praying, and that went on for about 5-10 minutes maybe. And then we left. I don't know whether that happens every day here, but it was kind of a cool thing to see. We are now going to a new location. I don't know where exactly, because we have a guide and he's taking us around places. We made like a list for him and we are hoping that he will take us in all of those places, but we shall find out also. And by the way, if you are curious what is the rough price to rent like a tuk-tuk around here to show you the city for like a day, it's about 600 rupees. So right now we are in our second destination of today's day, and it happens to be in the city palace here in Jaipur. We are currently taking a break and having a tea in the city palace, and it's been pretty nice. We've been doing like a simple tour of the palace, and to actually have a tour of the palace you have to pay 2,000 rupees per person. You can do many different tours here in the palace, however we decided to do like a half a tour, and that was 2,000 rupees each. You can also do like a full tour of the palace, which is 3,500 rupees, or you can just do a simple museum here in the palace where you don't really get to see anything in the palace, and that is 700 rupees. So we decided to do the half tour, and we just paid 2,000 rupees each per person.
So first of all, you're welcome in the city palace, and I'm a tour guide. My name is Ram Singh Shekhawat, and this property is a still private property of the Jaipur royal family, and they are living in the same part whenever they enjoy.
Oh, so the royal is still living here?
Yeah, still this part is using by the royal family.
Okay.
So this floor name is Rang Nivas, and still this floor is using by the royal family's guest. Whenever guests came, they can stay here if they want.
Okay.
And it was opened first time in the 1980 when Prince Charles and Lady Diana came here.
Oh,
they stayed also here.
They stayed here.
Wow, so here is the view from the top of the palace. We are in this like courtyard right now, but you can see such a beautiful view, and if we were to stand right over there we'll be able to see the front of the palace. However, that's not allowed, we cannot go there today. And I think there's a fort as well, and our accommodation is somewhere that way, far away. So right now we are in this giant courtyard and it's all pink. There is so many picture possibilities here. It's all looking really beautiful, like palace vibes and stuff like that. Really cool. Our tour is done now, so we literally are going to take about 5 minutes here taking pics, and then we're moving on to our next location, whatever that may be. Our tour guide will decide. Our tuk-tuk has just arrived. Let's go to our new location. location number 3 of today's date. Right now we are actually at the bottom of a very famous fort, which is at the top, and we have this kind of temple here. Actually, it's few little temples. Temple 1, temple 2, the place is called Topher. So we are not going to go up the fort. First reason is I'm sick, so I won't be able to go, and second reason is actually pretty far, and today we have so many things to do, so by the time we would climb that fort and climb back, we would be so tired. It would probably be evening time or sunset time, so not today. So we just decided to explore these temples here by the bottom and just show you guys what you can do if you don't want to climb the fort. So the entry to this place was 30 rupees per person. I decided to just include prices so you can have a rough idea how much today will cost you, because most of the temples around here are of course paid for. But this is the first temple, and through this door over here, actually a really small door, in front of us there is another temple, and it just kind of continues on and on, door after door, which is super cool. Looks really nice right here. And at the top there's a fort that I was talking about. There are stairs that go right at the bottom, so literally you'd have to walk and walk and walk and walk and walk.
So we are actually running out of time. Still haven't had lunch, so we need to go get some food. Including today, we still need to see more, and it's 2 p.m. Let's make a move, yeah?
Welcome to destination number 4, and here we are. This place here behind me is called the Mahalo. It's very, very, very famous wall by which everybody takes pictures here in Jaipur. It is like super orange with really nice pattern, and you can take crazy pictures here. As you can see, everybody is all over the place taking pictures here, and it just looks super incredible. It's really beautiful. So this is what it looks like from this angle. As you can see, it is very difficult to take pictures here because we have the road just outside, and it is very limited amount of space that you can pose. To the 5th and last destination of today's vlog, and it is this palace on the water. It is called Mahalo, which is just behind me. I'm going to show you in a second, but basically it is a palace on the water. You can't go in. Oh my gosh, look at these pigeons, literally flying everywhere. So what's cool is that outside this lake there's a very touristic area over here where there's just so many sellers, street food, and also these like pigeons that everybody's trying to take pictures with. And it is really busy at this time right now in the evening. I don't know why, but these people are selling grains that you can feed to those pigeons. And a second ago there was like a dog walking through, and all the pigeons are flying through. Oh, very nice. Very nice. You can even take these pictures here where you dress up apparently in Rajasthani clothes, and then you can get your pictures taken, which I think it's such a good idea. As you have this man here showing you the possibilities, I think it's a perfect idea. So I saw some sugarcane juice a minute ago, and I really love sugarcane juice, and I'm pretty sure I can see some right now. So let's go and get some, because this is like my new favorite here in India. Before that I used to think cane juice, really, but now sugarcane juice is like so delicious. So this man here is selling cane juice right in the middle of the street. it. Arella, you like cane juice? That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and it gives you kind of an idea everything that you can do in one day. You could probably see more temples, but because we have a baby, we have to do it slower. But we've seen 5, and that is enough for us for today's date. It is almost sunset. The weather's looking much better now because it's not that sunny, and we are just going to enjoy some more time by this lake because it just looks so good, and we might even have some street food from around this area. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel down below, and I'll see you soon.